Haven't been to this spot in forever. Nike Outlet Long Beach, 30% off clearance apparel, 30% off back wall as well. All right, we're gonna start with the 10 and a halves and seeing some crazy stuff. Look at this, 210? Really? What the hell? For LeBron, that's crazy. Jordan 1 lows, those are some cleats, 120. Jordan 4 RMs, I feel like we've seen these crazy cheap. 130. Pegasus Plus right here, 130. We got some DN8 Air Maxes right here, 169.99. Real Tree Calm Slides right here, 45. 110 for these dunks is kind of crazy. 90 for the mids. 10 and a half, 120 for these bad boys right here. I think Chic had those for 100, right? Had the women's pair, I think, for 100 minus 25 off. I think that's slightly cheaper, but 120, 30% off. Well under $100. That's such a good deal. So freaking comfortable. Holy cow, so freaking comfortable. Very similar to my 1080s. We got some, these look like some plus, right? Oh no, I thought these were plus. But yeah, Vomero 18s, 120 for those. Multiple Vomeros under $100. That's what's up. 135 for the GT Hustle 3s. Another Vomero right here. This is a different color, right? 130. Pegasus 39s down to 70. Definitely seen the Vomeros going down in price. That's 3 different colorways, huh? That's what's up. Checking the women's bigger size to see if there's any crazy extended size price. Vomeros over here, size 10 women's, 85, definitely not. What I'm looking for, I don't think I see any 9.5, $90. Are starting, we are seeing the gray price tags, but not what we're looking for. A lot of generic stuff. Do got some dunks right here, $60. See some Shocks R4s, 120. 55 for these Juniper Trails. Definitely no Vomeros, unfortunately. 3 clearance racks, 30% off clearance apparel. Where they got these weird corduroy pants. Been seeing some like weird Nike and Jordan like casual wear. 65, normally 130. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Some warm-up pants. Jordan, this looks like a throwback, dude. This looks like a throwback to way back when. $40. Dang, look at how wide this is. It's a bigger size, but look at how wide that is. Crazy. 120. Got some extra 3M shorts right here. $70. God dang, dude. Really? For running shorts? ACG. Why do they have like so much premium stuff here? What the hell? 125. Premium stuff with premium price tag. LeBron shorts right here. See the LeBron logo. Kind of whatever. Basketball shorts. Don't know the price. I saw one right here as well. 45. Normally $90. Like, they're not that nice. Yeah. The tips are actually kind of nice. The edge right there, but it's just regular basketball shorts. Does have pockets, and it does have 2 layers. Oh, we've been seeing a lot of these Mamba hoodies right here, $60. We got these jackets as well, which I have a medium tall. No reason to have a medium tall. Those are going for $60 as well. Bought it for crazy cheap. I might do a size swap. I might see if I could do a size swap. $50. Sherpa pullover right here, oversized. Oh, it's double XL too. Yeah, $80. Oh, this one is dope. $60 for the black one. This one looks the best. Obviously, I wear a ton of black. Do got a Drake May Super Bowl jersey? Super Bowl jersey, 130. If you're a Pats fan, that's pretty dope. Or do you just say, hey, I don't want it because we lost that Super Bowl? I don't know. I kind of feel that way with the Niners stuff whenever they lose. But yeah, Herbert jersey, 175. Rams jersey right here. Is that Stafford? Yeah, Stafford jersey, 175. Back in the clearance shoe section, size 11 and above. where we're seeing more and more Vomeros. I love that. 130. We got Monarchs right here, 55. What are these? Oh, I thought these were like the Tentacumpos, the budget. Giannis's, nah. The Hyperset 2s, 150. What the hell? Yeah, I thought they were something like this right here. One of these immortality things right here, 45. Looks like this colorway made it out of the aisles, 120. Because I'm seeing them in the size 13s here as well, 120 for these. MVPs go for 100. Rejuvenate slides, something like that Nike orange right there, 50 bucks. Metcons, 75. DNA 8s, 170. Size 13. Look at these Zoom flies. Colors are pretty wild on these bad boys right here. What's the price? 180 full price. Dang it. At least you get 30 off, I guess. All black DNA. It's going for 170. The hell are these Witness 9s? The latest Witness. They look pretty generic, dude. Way generic. Does have his crown on the back right there. Kind of interesting. Okay. I think they said Bronny James got a PE colorway of the Witness. Recently, 130 for these. Rejuvenate size 50. Tripping out because they used to have a bunch of size 14, 15s and stuff. It just says 13 and up, and I only see size 13s. That's it. Back in the clearance apparel since it's right next to the size 13s. Got a Christmas Jordan hoodie right here, 40 bucks. More of these in different sizes. Is that a Cholo shirt right here? I got a Cholo shirt, only the top buttoned up funny, 55. Got this extra bright thing right here. It's a large, tall, 155. And then the last rack over here, see a couple more jerseys, Herbert jerseys right here. Some crazy bright polos. That's your thing for 40 bucks. Got some t-shirts. Powder blue, $40. Mamba loose fit t-shirt, 20 bucks. Kind of a crazy color. I think that was like a Kobe 4 that matched that color, wasn't there? Wasn't there? Fall classic Dodgers t-shirt right here, 15 bucks. Got a bunch of graphic tees, JDI, stuff like that. Just stuff that they always have. Oh, these shirts are interesting. A little sneaker on the pocket right there. Is that a Monarch? Is that a Monarch? I think that's a freaking Monarch, dude. Who wants a Monarch on their shirt? $40? $40? The blue one is the same thing. Oh, $30. So they're down to 30. But yeah, that's a Monarch, dude. What the hell? Nobody wants a Monarch. Alright, we're knocking out the back wall. Don't see a huge 9 section. I see a lot of 9.5s and 8.5s. Yeah, 130 for both of those. Got those. We've been seeing these indoor soccer shoes at a lot of spots. 40 bucks though. Wow. That's hella bright though. 75 and 120 for the KD 18s. Air Max 90 right here with that bright orange, 135. Got some boots right here, 8.5, 115. These Manoas. Ooh, size 8. These are marked down. That's interesting because all the other sizes were still 40, no? 40 or 50? Some 5.5s. Why is this not a grade school? It is a Jordan 1 Golf. 110. All right, let's knock out the aisles. Oh, those are interesting. Got some budget Nike signature basketball shoes right here. Whoa, whoa, look at that. That's crazy. Cheap. Bunch of Witnesses. Next gen LeBrons right here. Ja 1s. And then we got non-signature Jordans over here. Oh, they're here. They're here. Got some Dunks in smoke gray. Palm slides. Rejuvenate slides. Flight Legacies. Field General. All black. Nike City shoes right here. This looks like some Real Tree Air Force Ones right here. All canvas. $100 for those. From Cortez, that drops that down to $35. $35. These are hella clean. I need to stop buying Cortezes because I have like 6 pairs, I think. But yeah, that is a hell of a price, $35. Then we're in the Air Max section with all kinds of Air Max 2017s. Gotta have some Air Max 270s, I guess. It's where every outlet always has them. 120 for the Air Max DN8s. Got some regular DNs as well. All white Air Max 90. Platinum tint iron gray. Laser orange. Wolf gray. These are not B grades. These are, yeah, they look legit. Then got some Metcon 5s right here. Free Metcon 5s, that is. That's a solid price. And got Metcon 8s. I think the latest one is the 10. Running shoe wise, nothing too premium. So we're moving on to the women's clearance section. In the women's, seeing a lot of generics. What the hell? Terabellas, what the hell? Guess we see some dunks right here. Going for 90 too much. What the F are these? Air Max Craze. Okay, we have seen these. These are pretty crazy. But yeah, 130. Pegasus Trail. 4 Gore-Tex, $80. Some Shocks TLs. 130. Air Max 270s. 170 still. What the hell? Bunch of these Infinity Run 4s. 120. More of these TLs. 130. 120 for these. Air Max 270s. Calm Slides. $40. What is this? Air Max Music. $90. What the hell are those? All right, let's check out the aisles for the women, where they got this type of stuff. Man, what the hell? Hopefully I have stuff to show you guys. Seems pretty bleak. A couple pair of dunks. These are some Next Natures. Are there any difference between the Next Nature dunks and the regular dunks? I don't know. Recycled material versus regular. I don't know. I haven't really noticed. Air Max 270s. Got to have plenty of those. At least the prices are going down. They're $100. I guess it's not bad. But yeah, that's about it. Everything else hella generic. I guess they're having a leak up there. It's been raining all day today. Then running shoe wise, I haven't seen anything premium. I guess all the Vomeros are on the back wall, I guess, in the men's section. I do like the fact that there are tons and tons of Vomeros. Yeah, this place has been pretty mild lately. Been pretty mild, that's why I haven't hit it up too often. All right, that was Nike Factory Store, Long Beach. All right, back in the valley. Let's go. Looks like this sneaker section hasn't gotten any smaller, but it's all about quality. You got some Witnesses, smaller size, $50. Pegasus Turbos. These are nice, $70. That's actually not bad. Got some Chucks. These are some like mids or something though. 43. Is that Skechers? Hyperburst, I think. Hyperburst is Skechers. SKX on the tongue. Yeah, I'm pretty sure $30. What are these? The Gatos or something. $60. Rain shoes. This is like perfect for LA because their shoes are not like huge boots or nothing. $60. Those are Under Armour. Shacks being marked down to $20. These fools finding Jordan 4s. I ain't finding no luck lately. Oh man, these double bubble things. That's about it. What the hell? 10 and above are over here. And in the bigger size, just got some older KDs going for too much at 85. Got some Lucas down here. What are these, the 4s or something? Oh, they've been reduced at least 52. Some budget looking Shocks right here, still going for 90. Damn. What are these? There's some Luca 4s right here, $80. Some of the Shacks right here. More Shacks. Those are cheap as hell. $50 though? Whoa. Whoa, that's a lot for Shacks. And some Chiefs. Pegasus, crazy huge size. Oh, actually size 13, not bad. $70. And these Metcons, and that's about it. Oh, at least the Metcons have been reduced. $49, that's about it. Apparel section been pretty mild. You got a Nike hoodie right here, 65 down to 35. Under Armour hoodie with no sleeves, 15. Nike hoodie right here, 20 bucks. In the mediums now, Ja Morant Nike t-shirt right here, $7. See a lot of Nike t-shirts, Adidas t-shirts, some Under Armour t-shirts in the bigger sizes, but nothing too exciting to be honest. Some Clippers Nike t-shirt right here, 20 bucks, long sleeve. Moving over to the women's section where we got some, what are these? Some structures? I bet they're structures. Nike Wind Flow, some budget runners, 75 for budget runners. F you, Ross. Damn, I thought they were lowering prices, but they on some boo stuff, man. Trying to keep it family friendly. You got some dunks. Interesting looking dunks. Is that corduroy? Is that corduroy material? Pretty different. $65. Not too bad. That's not too bad. Size 9 women's. Got some Air Max 1s right here. These colors definitely pop. 8.5. What they go for? $60. Gonna be on my way to Vegas. When you guys see this, it'll be tomorrow. Can't wait. Last minute trip. I just decided, was it today or yesterday? That I'm gonna be heading out. So definitely gonna be hitting up some Nike outlets, get some video for you guys. Probably starting Monday. Hopefully Monday. 70 for the P6000s. Do have one more video for you guys before I head out to Vegas. I think one more video. Maybe I might get some tomorrow. I don't know. Chuck 70s right here, 40 bucks. Do some interesting Chucks right here. Super girly Chucks. These are going for 30. Bunch of Converse right here, 40 for those, 40 for these. I don't think they know the difference between Chuck 70s and regular Chucks. If you guys don't know, it's usually the shiny midsole that kind of tells me. If you really want to verify on the All-Star emblem right there, you could see a 70 on the bottom, and they're just supposedly higher quality material that they use. Rose Anvil actually broke these up, and he actually broke these up at regular ones as well, and he found a huge difference on just the midsole material and stuff like that. Supposedly these will last significantly longer, and I think they use like better padding and stuff too. Gamma Forces right here, 50 bucks. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna get ready to go to Vegas. Also edit one last video for you guys. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll do a live stream on Friday or so. I don't know. I haven't done a live stream in forever. We'll see. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Oh, wait, never mind. Let's check out the kids section real quick. Got some Hello Kitty shoes right here, size 3. Go for 20. We're at the Citadel Outlet Mall. In the back wall, you do get 30% off. That little heat wall right here. Okay. We're starting to see more and more of these, which is something that I talked about in one of my recent mall vlogs. The Kobe 5. These are the year of the Mambas. All right, got one more spot to hit up. 40% off clearance stuff. 1080s again.